Howdy y'all, welcome back to our channel, and today we're diving into the wild world of Barndominium home kits. Buckle up, partner, cause we're about to rustle up some affordable dream homes right here on eBay. If you're as excited as a cowboy at a rodeo, hit that subscribe button and let's giddy up. Now before we lasso those eBay listings, let's talk about Barndominiums. Picture this, a barn and a cozy home had a Texas-sized love affair. The result? A Barndominium, a rugged steel-framed abode with all the charm of a country dance and the practicality of a Swiss Army knife. Yes sirree, these babies are versatile, spacious, and downright charming. Alright partners, eBay isn't just for vintage cowboy boots and collectible spurs. Nope, it's a goldmine Barndominium kits. Let's round them up. Number 1. NuEco Systems 2-story 24x30 steel-framed Barndominium home kit. Price $40,716 US. The steel-framed tall Barndominium home kit features a 24-foot wide by 30-foot deep 720 square foot bottom floor, second-story loft mezzanine, covered front porch, and 2 covered side patios. Combining the strength and durability of steel framing with the functionality of a versatile living space, this innovative kit offers a unique blend of style and practicality. This metal building kit includes complete structural engineering. This engineering will include the foundation slab, piers, and everything to enclose the exterior's shell and roof. Wall framing, roof framing, and all exterior metal for both the roof and exterior. The inclusion of a second-story loft adds an additional dimension to the living space, providing extra room for sleeping quarters, a home office, or a cozy retreat. This versatile area offers flexibility and adaptability to suit the needs and preferences of the occupants, whether for work, leisure, or relaxation. In essence, the steel-framed tall Barndominium home kit with a second-story loft and porches on 3 sides offers a contemporary interpretation of rural living. With its combination of strength, versatility, and aesthetic appeal, it provides a comfortable and inviting sanctuary where modern convenience meets rustic charm. Number 2. NuEco Systems steel-frame Barndominium home kit with covered porches on 3 sides. Price $45,232. This steel tall Barndominium home kit features 30-foot wide by 40-foot deep 1,200 square foot bottom floor, a covered front porch, and 2 covered side patios. Crafted from high-quality galvanized steel, this kit offers a robust framework that promises longevity and structural integrity, ensuring a secure haven for its occupants. The inclusion of covered porches on 3 sides not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the Barndominium, but also extends its living space into the great outdoors. These expansive outdoor areas provide ample opportunities for relaxation, entertainment, and appreciation of the surrounding landscape. Whether enjoying morning coffee, hosting gatherings with friends and family, or simply soaking in the sights and sounds of nature, the covered porches offer a versatile and inviting space for outdoor living. Designed and manufactured in the USA, this Barndominium home kit embodies a commitment to quality, craftsmanship, and sustainability. By supporting domestic production, it not only ensures superior quality and attention to detail, but also contributes to the growth and prosperity of local communities and economies. In essence, the steel tall Barndominium home kit with covered porches on 3 sides celebrates the American spirit of innovation, resilience, and craftsmanship. With its blend of rugged charm and modern sophistication, it offers a timeless retreat where cherished memories are made and the beauty of American craftsmanship is celebrated. Number 3. NuEco Systems galvanized steel double lianto Barndominium kit. Price $54,045 US. The galvanized steel double lianto Barndominium kit features a main building which is 34-foot wide by 40-foot long, 1,360 square foot bottom floor, covering lianto for storage or parking, covered lianto front porch, and parking area. It represents a marriage of durability and functionality in modern architectural design. Crafted from galvanized steel, this Barndominium offers exceptional strength and resilience against the elements, ensuring longevity and peace of mind for its occupants. Featuring 2 large covered porches, this barndominium maximizes outdoor living space while providing shelter from the elements. These expansive outdoor areas offer versatile options for relaxation, entertainment, and enjoying the surrounding scenery. Whether used for alfresco dining, hosting gatherings with loved ones, or simply unwinding in the fresh air, the covered porches enhance the overall living experience of the home. The double lianto design adds a unique architectural element to the barndominium, creating additional living space and visual interest. This layout allows for flexible interior configurations, with ample room for living areas, bedrooms, and other functional spaces to suit the needs of the occupants. In summary, the galvanized steel double lianto barndominium with 2 large covered porches offers a harmonious blend of durability, functionality, and style. With its innovative design and high-quality materials, it provides a comfortable and inviting retreat where occupants can enjoy the best of indoor-outdoor living. Number 4. NuEco system. Galvanized steel barndominium with loft and double liantos. Price $46,996. This galvanized steel tall barndominium features a 30-foot wide by 40-foot long 600 square foot bottom floor, a second-story mezzanine, and 2 enclosed liantos. It represents a modern take on traditional barn-inspired architecture, combining durability with versatility. Crafted from lightweight galvanized steel, this barndominium offers structural strength while remaining agile and easy to work with during construction. Featuring a loft and double liantos, this barndominium maximizes space utilization and functionality. The loft provides additional living space, perfect for bedrooms, a home office, or a cozy retreat. The double liantos offer versatility in design and usage, allowing for expanded living areas or covered outdoor spaces. The galvanized steel construction ensures longevity and resilience against the elements. The galvanized coating provides protection against rust and corrosion, making the barndominium suitable for various climates and environmental conditions. Additionally, the lightweight nature of the steel allows for easier transportation and assembly, reducing construction time and costs. In summary, the lightweight galvanized steel tall barndominium with loft and double liantos offers a harmonious blend of durability, versatility, and modern design. With its innovative construction and functional layout, it provides a stylish and comfortable living space that embraces the best of both traditional and contemporary architecture. Number 5. Steel Factory Manufacturing. Metal Farm Barndominium. Price $61,855. This metal farm and residential building features a 40 by 60 closed living and workshop area and a 15-foot covered roof-only carport area. Crafted by Steel Factory MFG, this prefab metal building offers a durable and customizable solution for farm and residential use. Whether used as a farmhouse, barn, workshop, or a combination of these functions, the barndominium offers flexibility to suit the diverse needs of its occupants. Constructed from high-quality steel, this prefab metal building boasts exceptional strength and durability. The steel framework ensures structural integrity and resilience against the elements, making it suitable for a wide range of environments and climates. Additionally, the factory manufacturing process ensures precision and consistency in construction, resulting in a reliable and long-lasting building solution. With its sturdy construction, spacious interior, and customizable design options, it offers a practical and adaptable solution for modern living and farming needs. Number 6. NuEco system. Steel-framed barndominium kit, 46 by 50 foot. Price $48,343. This steel-framed barn-style barndominium kit with a huge second-story loft mezzanine and 2 enclosed liantos encapsulates the marriage of rugged charm and modern functionality. Crafted with durability in mind, this steel-framed structure offers a robust foundation while embracing the timeless aesthetics of a barn-inspired design. At its core, the barndominium kit offers a unique blend of residential comfort and practicality. The inclusion of a huge second-story loft mezzanine adds depth and versatility to the living space, providing additional room for sleeping quarters, a home office, or cozy retreat overlooking the main living area. The barn-style design lends a touch of rustic elegance to the structure, evoking a sense of nostalgia while offering contemporary amenities. Its spacious interior and open floor plan create an inviting atmosphere for gatherings and everyday living, while large windows allow ample natural light to flood the space, enhancing its warmth and charm. With its spacious interior, versatile layout, and timeless design, it provides a comfortable and inviting sanctuary where cherished memories are made and modern living is celebrated. Well, folks, whether you're escaping the city slickers or embracing your inner cowboy, eBay's steel and Barndominium kits have you covered. While these kits include all the exterior steel frame structure, it does not include permits, concrete, windows, and doors, interior finishing, insulation, interior framing, plumbing, HVAC, and electrical. Remember to hit that thumbs up button if you're ready to ride off into the sunset. And hey, if you snag one of these kits, invite me over for a Cupid Shuffle 2-step, alright? Until next time, stay rugged, stay cozy, and keep roping those dreams.